Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'll be discussing with you writing task 1, and the question for today is: the picture below shows the plan of a museum in 1998 and after some changes was made to it in 2008. Summarize information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So we are given these two graphs which is representing museum in 1998 and 2008. So we can see that these lines, these areas are representing permanent exhibition room. Center was a garden in the center, and above the garden in the north direction there was a cafe. In the south there was entrance and exit and ticket area. In the southwest corner, or you can say to the left of the entrance, there was shop, bag and coat room and a washroom, WC. Okay, and here in the left side we can see a temporary exhibition room. So in 2008 we can see a lot of alteration. The whole permanent exhibition room has been shifted to the west side of the garden. From here also it is removed and shifted here, and the garden area has also been reduced to make a cafe sitting area and fountains. Ticket entrance exit remains same. Temporary exhibition room has been shifted from here, and shops and bag and court rooms were shifted here. Washrooms have been constructed near the cafe, and a new restaurant we can see has been built or constructed in the which direction it is, in the northeast, so northwest corner. So the map depicts the alteration that occurred at a museum from 1998 to 2008. Overall, numerous modification can be noticed after a decade. So after 10 years, we can see a lot of modifications. The key change was the installation of a restaurant and a cafe sitting area. So the key change means the major change was the installation of these two things, restaurant and cafe sitting area. In 1998, the permanent exhibit rooms took up the majority of the space. The garden was situated in the center of the museum, which was rectangular. A cafe was located above the garden, while ticket and entrance exit were positioned below the garden. So we can see, we have already discussed this, that this is above and this is below. A temporary exhibit room was on the left of the entrance, a shop on the right, and a bag and coat room next to the shop with a WC above it. So we can see here it is in the right with the bag and coats and WC above it. Now what happened in 2008? The permanent exhibit rooms were reduced to eastern side. However, tickets and entrance exits were unaffected. So what happened? Permanent exhibit rooms were reduced to the eastern side. So these were relocated to the eastern side only, and however, ticket and entrance exit were unaffected. So they remained unaltered. The cafe remained unaltered, although its size was reduced to make room for WC. So its size was reduced because there has to be the construction of WC. The temporary exhibition space has been moved above the shop and bag coat room, which has been shifted to the left of the entrance. Now it has been shifted to the left of the entrance. On the cafe's left side, a new restaurant has been. So we can see that temporary exhibition room is above these shop and bag and coat room, and a restaurant has been built. On the cafe's left side, a new restaurant has been built. So a restaurant we can see here, or you can say has been constructed. Due to the installation of new fountains and a cafe sitting space, the size of the garden was reduced. So what happened due to the installation or addition of cafe sitting area and fountains? The size of the garden reduced, the area of the garden reduced. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.